Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The Best Turkey Brining Bags is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook looking to elevate their holiday roast, ensuring a succulent and flavorful bird every time, especially when paired with the included seasonings that promise to infuse your turkey with a depth of taste that prepackaged options simply can't match, making your Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner truly unforgettable. Number 5. Fire and Flavor Turkey Perfect Herb Brine Kit. Achieve your best tasting turkey with our simple 5-step kit. It ensures excellent flavor while keeping your bird moist and tender. Enjoy the classic combination of herbs and spices that will delight any gathering. Maximize flavor with minimal fuss. This kit includes everything you need for a perfect turkey, except the bird itself. You'll find brine mix, a large bag, instructions, and recipes. Our kit is designed for turkeys up to 25 pounds. It's perfect whether you choose to roast, grill, smoke, or fry your bird. We are passionate about creating naturally delicious and convenient cooking solutions. We help you achieve mouth-watering results from fire to flavor. Our brine mix is gluten-free, non-GMO, and kosher, ensuring a quality product for everyone to enjoy. What we like? This kit offers a classic herb flavor that's perfect for any gathering. It includes everything you need for a simple brining process. If you are looking for a foolproof way to achieve a moist and flavorful turkey with minimal effort, this is the one for you. What people say. The bags are large enough to fit a whole turkey. The seasoning included in the kit is delicious and easy to use. The brining process was simple and resulted in a moist and flavorful turkey. Number 4. San Francisco Salt Company Organic Turkey Brine Kit. Discover the secret to a perfectly seasoned and incredibly moist turkey. This kit is designed to infuse your bird with delicious flavor. Experience the rich, aromatic blend of certified organic garlic and rosemary. It's the ideal seasoning for any turkey preparation. Our kit comes complete with a BPA-free brine bag for easy and safe brining. Simply add your turkey and the seasoning blend. Whether you're smoking, roasting, or frying, this brine ensures a tender and flavorful result every time. It's perfect for whole turkeys too. Enjoy peace of mind with our certified organic and kosher seasoning. It's a healthy and delicious choice for your holiday meals. Achieve gourmet results with minimal effort. This easy-to-use kit guarantees a succulent and flavorful turkey that will impress your guests. What we like? Experience the savory taste of organic garlic and rosemary with this certified organic blend. The BPA-free bag ensures safety and quality. If you prioritize organic ingredients and a robust garlic rosemary flavor profile for your turkey, this option is an excellent choice. What people say. These brining bags are a great size for a turkey. The bags are very sturdy and did not leak. The seasoning included was a nice touch and added great flavor to the turkey. Number 3. Urban Accents Gourmet Gobbler Turkey Brine Kit. Discover the secret to a perfectly seasoned and incredibly moist turkey. This kit makes gourmet brining simple for any home cook. Achieve restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Our carefully crafted blend ensures deep flavor penetration for a truly unforgettable meal. Say goodbye to dry, bland poultry. This brine infuses your turkey with unparalleled juiciness and tenderness in every bite. Everything you need for a superior turkey experience is included. Just add your bird and prepare for rave reviews. Make the next holiday gathering a culinary triumph. This essential kit guarantees a delicious centerpiece that will impress all your guests. What we like? This gourmet blend provides a sophisticated flavor for your turkey. It's a convenient all-in-one solution for a delicious meal. If you're aiming for a restaurant-quality taste with ease, this kit is designed for you, especially for larger birds. What people say. The bags are large enough to fit a whole turkey. The seasoning packet included with the bags adds great flavor to the turkey. The bags make brining the turkey easy and mess-free. Number 2. Aromasong 100% Natural Turkey Brine, Herbs de Provence. Discover the secret to a perfectly moist and flavorful turkey. Our 100% natural brine, infused with herbs de Provence, guarantees an exceptional culinary experience. Achieve delicious results with ease, whether you prefer wet or dry brining. This versatile seasoning is designed to simplify your cooking process. Elevate your whole, smoked, oven-roasted, or fried turkey. It's the ideal companion for any cooking method you choose. Experience the difference of a premium product crafted with care. It's made right here in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality. Make your holiday meals unforgettable with Aromasong. This 2 lb package provides ample seasoning for your festive feast. What we like. Enjoy the aromatic herbs to Provence seasoning, perfect for both wet and dry brining. This generous 2 lb size ensures plenty of flavor. If you appreciate the nuanced flavors of French herbs and want flexibility in your brining technique, this natural option is ideal. What people say. The bags are large enough to hold a turkey and the seasoning packet is a nice addition. Easy to use and clean up is a breeze. The turkey came out moist and flavorful. Great product for brining a turkey. It keeps the moisture in and the seasoning packet adds great flavor. Number 1. Liquid Solution 2 Oversized Brining Bags with Meat Claws and Turkey Baster Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for perfectly brined meats. This kit makes preparing large turkeys and roasts simple and effective. Our oversized bags ensure even the largest cuts of meat are fully submerged for optimal flavor penetration. No more struggling with too small containers. Included are 2 heavy-duty meat claws for easy handling and a turkey baster kit to keep your roasts moist and delicious throughout cooking. Crafted for durability, these brining bags are designed to withstand the rigors of large roasts. You can trust them for all your holiday cooking needs. Everything you need for a successful brining experience is right here. Achieve professional level results in your own kitchen with this comprehensive kit. What we like. This package provides 2 oversized, heavy-duty brining bags, along with useful accessories like meat claws and a baster. It's perfect for handling large roasts. If you frequently cook large cuts of meat and need durable, reliable tools for the entire brining and basting process, this bundle is a practical solution. What people say. The bags are large enough to fit a big turkey. The seasoning packet included is a nice touch and adds great flavor. Easy to use and clean up is a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.